Chicago and St. Louis.
Doggone, look at that black smoke coming out of that chimney. I bet that old fireman is busy. Doggone, seems like every time there's excursion, I'm always broke.
Yeah, and you wouldn't be broke if you'd go to work.
I would work if I could find any pleasure in it.
Well, I don't know anything about pleasure, but boy, always remember that the early bird catches a worm.
The early bird catches what worm?
Why, any worm.
Why, who cares about that?
Everybody knows the early bird catches a worm.
Well, what of it? What about it?
Catches it, that's all.
Well, let him have it. Who wants the worm, anyhow? What's his idea in catching a worm?
Why, he catches a worm because he wants it.
Well, what does he want with it?
Well, how do I know what he wants?
Well, how you know he wants it? How you know that?
Well, what's his idea catching it if he don't want it?
Well, what's the worm's idea in being there?
Why, the worm lives there.
He lives where?
He lives where he is.
Doggone, I don't even know where he is. I don't know that.
Why, he's home, that's where he is.
Well, I'd rather not hear any more about it. Which is the early bird? Which bird is early?
Why, the first bird gets there is the early bird.
Well, what causes that?
Because he's the first bird there.
Yeah, but suppose some other bird got there ahead of him.
Oh, boy, you don't seem to know anything. What's wrong with you?
Oh, I don't know. I don't feel well.
What's the matter with you?
Oh, I don't know. I was to the doctor, and he told me what to do, but I didn't do it. He said to take one pill 3 times a day, but you can't do that.
What else did the doctor say?
Well, he said my veins are too close together.
He said what?
He said I had very close veins. Boy, even if that was good, I wouldn't like it.
Now, boy, I'd play anything on this.
Yeah, you can't play piano on that. You couldn't do that.
No, but I can play any tune you want.
Oh, well, maybe you've been in some big show sometime. What show was you in?
I played this horn in the Metropolitan Opera Company. I was the head man in that show.
Oh, you've been in better shows than that.
Well, I hope to tell you, I was in Neil O'Brien's Minstrels. I was the head man in that show.
Well, what kind of man is that head man? What do you do, carry the trunks or what?
Oh, I didn't carry the trunks. I was the head man in that show. I was way ahead of everybody.
I bet you were so far ahead you wasn't in it.
And then I was in that sad show called Uncle Tom's Cabin. I was the head man in that show.
Oh, some little old country show I never even heard of.
You never heard of Uncle Tom's Cabin?
No, I never heard of it.
Did you ever hear of Adam and Eve?
I heard of them, but you wasn't the head man in that show. Doggone it, Amos, you've been in all those shows. You must have traveled respectively, huh?
Travel? Boy, I've been all over Europe, Asia, Cincinnati.
Cincinnati, Ohio? Ohio?
How you spell it?
Capital O-H-10.
No, I never been there, but I've been all over Rome.
Well, we used to live in Rome. We had a farm in Rome.
Well, what did you raise on your farm?
Oh, it was just a small farm. It wasn't much.
Yes, I know, but how big was it?
Oh, it was just... maybe I shouldn't have mentioned it. No, we only raised grouper feathers. That's about all.
Grouper feathers?
Yeah, for the king's pillow. Didn't you ever sleep on grouper feathers?
Well, I never heard of them.
Oh, they are so soft.
Grouper feathers? Why, what are they made of?
They're fuzz from peaches.
Well, did you raise any olives?
Well, we didn't exactly raise. We made them out of green peas. We knew how.
You made olives?
Yeah, we put green peas in vinegar, and when they swell up, they are olives.
Well, how did you get the stones in the olives?
What's your idea of bringing that up? And we used to grow pigs.
Grow your own pigs?
We used to buy young pigs in August, and then we would sell them in April.
What did you pay for the pigs in August?
A certain amount.
Yes, I know, but how much?
$4 each.
And what did you sell them for in April?
$4 each.
You paid $4 in August and sold them in April for $4?
Yeah.
Well, you can't make any money that way.
No, we found that out. And we have 8 horses.
Oh, you have 8 horses.
No, not 8 horses. 8 horses. Hey, and we found out that white horses eat more than black horses, so we sold all the white horses.
The white horses eat more than the black horses.
Yeah, the white ones eat more.
Oh, that's silly. Why should the white horses eat more than the black horses?
Oh, I wouldn't be bothered with that. We tried every way to figure it out, and we couldn't figure any reason unless it was because we had more of the white horses.
Well, did you have any chickens?
Yeah, we had 1,000 chickens and 999 laid eggs.
What's the matter with the other one?
He was head man.
Well, boy, I'm going down to feed the pigs, so I'll meet you down at the pig pen.
Yeah, I'll meet you down at the pig pen. You better keep your hat on so I'll know you. Yeah, goodbye. I'll be seeing you.